Hello everyone. Welcome back to Respro Academy audio lessons. Welcome back. How to ask for help professionally. Most English learners ask for help like this. Help me. It's correct, but there is a better way. What if you could sound more polite, more confident, and more professional with just a few small changes? Let's climb the English ladder. In everyday English, people always use help me. This sentence is simple, direct, and easy to understand. It's commonly used among friends and family. However, in some situations, it can sound a little too direct. So let's learn to improve it. There is a polite way of asking help. That is, could you help me with this task? Now you are sounding more polite. The phrase could you makes your request softer and more respectful. This works well in most everyday situations. Before I show you the next version, can you think of a better way to ask for help? Ready? The way how you can sound professionally. I would appreciate your assistance with this task. Now, that's so professional. Instead of simply asking for help, you're expressing appreciation and respect. This makes your request sound polished, thoughtful, and confident. But don't stop here. Let's look at a few more powerful alternatives. There are various ways to express or to ask help professionally. First one, I would be grateful for your assistance. It's a warm and respectful way to ask for help. The next one, I was wondering if you could help me with this task. It is very natural, polite, and commonly used by fluent speakers. The next one, I would appreciate your guidance on this matter. It's perfect when you're asking for advice or expertise. The last one, could you please guide me through this process? It is useful when you need step by step support. Now let's compare them. Help me. Could you help me with this task? I would appreciate your assistance with this task. All three sentences are correct. The difference is how polite and professional they sound. Now tell me, which sentence would you actually use? Let me know in the comments. And if you would like to improve your English one step at a time, subscribe and join me for the next English Ladder episode.
Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video, share it with others, and leave a comment below. Also, hit the bell icon to stay updated on our future lessons.